Doing your taxes can be a very stressful and confusing endeavor, even for the most organized person. Am I doing it right? Have I missed anything? Am I giving too much money to Uncle Sam? Well, the questions are very clear. The answers, not so much. And for traders, the process can be even more challenging if you don't know the secrets that could save you money. Thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Marlene Hilton. Today, we're exploring tax secrets for traders and sharing important strategies that will increase your cash flow and turbocharge your account. Jim Crimmins is the founder and president of Traders Accounting, America's leading tax consulting firm for traders. Jim, thank you so much for joining us.
I'm so glad to be here with you today, Marlene.
Now, you have an interesting background. You're a trader and an accountant, which is a rare combination. So, as a trader, what does it mean if we get an accountant that doesn't know much about trader taxation? Could we actually be missing out on saving some money?
Well, let me defend the accountants of the world. First of all, most of them are very, very good people. But it's really unfortunate because when it comes to trading, there's nothing in any college course that is taught about trading taxes, and there are no continuing education classes. So most of the accountants that you would deal with have 2 or 3 investors that they do taxes with. That is their mindset. So if you're an active trader, you can get hurt by someone that is trying to treat you as an investor because, as we will discuss later, investors are very, very low on the food chain when it comes to tax efficiency.
Well, I know you have a lot of good information to share with us. We'll get to it in a moment. And with Jim's help and invaluable information, you are taking the first step toward lowering your taxes and therefore increasing your income. One of the main questions back when you started and now that you might get from traders would be, why should I worry about taxes? I file my taxes, I pay my taxes. What's the big deal?
If you take the island of Manhattan, there's a river on each side of it. And that's how I look at trading. First of all, we have to all agree that your primary responsibility as a trader is cash flow. In fact, that's the only responsibility you have, is cash flow and managing your cash flow. Now, you can do that in several different ways as a trader, but that's this river over here. And you do it in small increments, and you do it by becoming a better trader, by taking some classes from some good trading schools, by finding a mentor to help you trade. And each one of those processes generally is in small increments. Very few aha moments where you're going to be able to double the amount of money that you make. The other river is called trading as a business, or learning how to trade as a business. It's front-loaded for traders for several reasons, but it allows you to be able to deduct all of your business expenses. Our average trader last year deducted somewhere between $12,000 and $25,000 in taxes. So let's round it off to $15,000 and put that client in the 20% tax bracket. Quickly, without a calculator now, you can see that had that trader been trading as a business and was able to write those expenses off, that they would have how much more to spend? $3,000 more to trade with. So that's what I'm talking about front end. Not only do you get to write off your taxes, there's several other things and benefits that you get as trading as a business, including going back 12 to 15 months, taking all of the expenses that you've already had, putting them in a basket and bringing them up and being able to write $5,000 off the first year you trade, and the rest is amortized. So like I say, this stream over here, being in the business of trading, is actually on the front end more lucrative than this stream over here in becoming a better trader. Now, I'm not trying to tell you not to become a better trader. We all have to become better traders, and it's an ongoing process. But that is why cash flow is a trader's number one.